Hey guys, I'm looking at some of the homes here. So this is the model of a townhouse. This is in 700's at this time, and amazing deposit structure. You can go for it for $1,500 per month deposit structure, and just in 700's. This is a beautiful house. Let's look at this. This is a one-car garage over here. And then here, this is the main floor where you have the living and the kitchen. Look at the kitchen. Kitchen is looking beautiful. And also we have the pantry there. And beautiful backyard too. This is the backyard. And living, kitchen. Let's go upstairs. So this model has 4 bedrooms. And all of the rooms are very spacious. Let's check out all the rooms. So this is one room. It's probably the smallest room in this house. This is the bigger room with walk-in closet here, and big windows, lot of natural light coming in. This is one common washroom, and this is the laundry room. And from here we have one more bedroom, and then this is the master. Very nice walk-in closet, and then you have the ensuite. The best part about these towns are that they also have a basement which is finished, so you can opt for the finished basement as well, and you can go for the longer closing too. Let's check out the basement. So that's the entrance for the basement. And here, this is a finished basement. Very nice, and this is the washroom here. And let's check out what's in here. This is again the furnace and water heater. And here you have the unfinished area. Let's come out from here. Beautiful towns in 700's with the $1,500 per month plan. Amazing location, very good builder. Lot of incentives are here, including the finished basement. So if you guys want to book the showing, give me a call at my number 416-278-6138, or call any agent at Spark Realty. See you guys soon.